Here's Matthew Foster. I will be showing you how to put a hitch plate on an X3 Can-Am.
I'm Cassandra, and I'll be guiding you through the install. First, raise the back end of your machine using a floor jack. Then, using a ratchet or a 1/2-inch impact, take an 18mm socket to remove the 6 nuts holding the OEM plate. You may need to add blocks to raise the machine fully off the ground to remove the plates. Replace the OEM plates with the Ibexx hitch plate. Reuse the previous nuts that were removed. Tighten the nuts enough to where they are all snug and hitch plate is fully against the radius rods. Using a torque wrench, tighten all nuts to 80 foot-pounds. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.